King is there.
He glided himself onto the park because certainly slipped by me.
Ball played inside the area. I think Elshot is the one who has come off, you know. We'll confirm that in a bit. Ball taken. Oh, that's a magnificent finish. It really is. Oh my goodness. What a hit that was from Evan Taylor. Well, well, well. From just about the halfway line, saw the keeper off his line, and Evan Taylor, one of Jamaica's best midfielders back in the days, really utilizing his ambition, but it was the execution which was perfect. And Chapelton, they have something to smile about.
Yeah. Well, Vino Barclay won't like seeing a replay on that. And didn't do much to keep it out. All credit